Hello, tutoring classmates. I'm Cristian Ramirez. I'm 22 years old. I'm a student in degree Bachelor in English as a foreign language. Today I'm going to talk about the exercise and recording and other exercise for this activity. Number 1, reading and recording. When you were wrong, you were not able to communicate with the adults around by using the language, but the time you were fine to sit, you were able to produce sentences, like jokes, ask questions, and songs. In short, you have become a native speaker. During those first 12 years of your life, you can accumulate a wide range of knowledge about at least one language, probably with the very little compares effort if you studied a foreign language later on. You are likely to discover it was not nearly as easy. Now, the exercise number 2 is relation minimal part. In this part, it's necessary that the person identifies with the pronunciation of the words, but the word come and sounds of the way similar. Sit, sit, that, bit, wet, bite, but, so, not, but, bed, fat, first. That's it. Very, well, by, then, doing, alive, arrive, cut, see, she, fun, van, fat, hot, free, re, sing, ring, wish, with, page, batch, fat, pat, came, game, to, do, back, buck, un, hat, hot. Now, the other exercise or the third exercise is about intonation, statement with streets. You can see that the sentences are short. It's simple, but the stretch is only one. I know. We large. It stopped. In this example, the stretch is normally it's next to the pronouns. A statement with two stretch. Anna works. Time flies. Lena is my daughter. It's simple. A statement with three streets. Peter doesn't like her. Lana wasn't invited. Bats are not birds. A statement with four streets. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher took his students at the store. A statement with five streets. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. A special question for following intonation. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? This sentence you can see that the following intonation is the end of the sentence. Friendly, interesting, polite, rising intonation. Where have you been? What are you reading? What's your name? Your birthday? General question of raising intonation. Do you visit them often? Do you send my cake? Are you ready to start? Now, request rising intonation. Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the windows, please? What did you mind helping me? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? Falling or rising intonation is a beautiful tone, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't he? Nice weather, isn't it? Commands and fallen intonation. Study. Sit down. Close your book. Tell me the truth. Request. Rising intonation. Come and please. Come to please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory sentence falling intonation. What a wonderful present. How loud her voice is. That's a lie. Very other rising intonation. Peter, can you help me? Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Can you help me? Enumerating rising intonation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She brought bread, cheese, oranges, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Response. Certainly, of course, and you're welcome. Okay, teacher and classmate, this is the way on the YouTube pronunciation in this word. And the sentence and the use of the falling intonation, raising intonation is that for that the person can identify what is the question, what is the intention about the pronunciation.